We're seeing now Beit Hashem Yisborach Daf Nun Omed Beis. We had the Gemara explaining here that you have to give for the Gizber a pruta. Like this, you can be paid the comma. That's how the Gemara explains. That's how it works. Then you give him most of oil dinner, and then you can be paid. Even though your choiv is much bigger than the character, you still have to give something. Gemara Fiyazois, who Gizber, who Yoirish. Ma Gizber over the Gizber Tofas Emetzim Yodoi. Af Yoirish over Yoirish Tofas Emetzim Yodoi. We want to be poised on this halacha that a Yoirish over a Yoirish with Tofas Emetzim Yodoi. If he was there was Paris in the field, and the Balchoy wants to be goive over Yoirish with Tofas Ein Moitzion Miyodoi. The Gemara starts off here. Sha'im Kodma Yoirish with Tofas Moitzion Miyodoi. That's a different story. They were talking about the Yoyish wants to be Toifas, means he wants to take the thing that belongs to her. Doesn't want to let it be go with the Chayv. And that we say Metzim Yodai. But this is different. Here we're talking about Chayv. About Chayv ain't Metzim Yodai. Metzim Yodai is different. It's talking about kesubos issue. I guess the kesubos issue they were more machmer. Okay. I was going to say now like this. If Shmuel bar Rabbi B'Shem B'Yechan Av B'Shoyer Kain Islach Meimah Shoyer Karke. This din of Moisef Oid Din goes by a Shoyer. A person was Magdish a Shoyer, and then the Balchoy wants to be Goiver. He's Moisef a little bit, and he's pointed the Shoyer. Islach Meimah Shoyer Karke. Tanchem by Meir B'Shem B'Yosi Shoyer Ose Ose Kehegdish Hizel. So by Karka we say that it's a meshubad. But why is Shoyer meshubad? So why can you give just a drop? Mishleim a Karka as meshubad. The answer is they made it kehegdish uzal, probably supposed to say. Hachat ometzim miyadoi, hachat ome emetzim miyadoi. Im tola shiyavam peir metzim miyadoi. Pisha right the koicha shel isha shetek kesubos and nechse ba'al rishon yipisa koicha. And he had over a yoyish retofas metzim miyadoi. Metzim miyadoi. That's what we had before. Im tola shiyavam peir metzim miyadoi. Darai Meshuabad Lachoiv Haksuba. Since you said it only goes in Ichse Ba'al, that's why we're Machme more. Tonakain. Eloinus Ikatsotas, the Kingdom in Autumn. Bain Shayron, the Kingdom in Autumn, Etzim Yodam. Eloinus the Kotzetzum. That's how the current English goes. Eloinus the Kotzetzum, the Kingdom in the Autumn, Etzim Yodam. Bain the Kingdom, Bain the Autumn. Current English goes the Kotzetzum. I'll change it for a Kotzetzum. Talk now about this lady that he was mayabim her, so he has to pay her all the nechasim. It goes on the nechasim of the brother. Gersha in a ksuba. So it's only as long as he's keeping her from the old yibum, that's when all the nechasim shubit. Afterwards, case the oisa. Then she breaks the ksuba. Means there's no more the ksuba. There's no more shibud that you cannot sell any of the brother's fields. Maybe it doesn't mean both. Then again he's allowed to sell. If she writes a shoiver, if he's willing to write that piece of paper and she trusts him. If not, he has to divorce her and take her back. Im lav, so if he takes her back again, the question is it only nechasim meshubed or only the brothers? So if he doesn't write something new, then he's just trying to return to what happened before. It says in the Mishnah, so if so the question is, why does he need to make this thing that he should be meshubed on his own? Doesn't have to divorce her. So the Gemara said, "Riba asa meimelach." Once a bigger revusa, fila kanasa v'gesh zira, he also needs a chiddush. That's what he's trying to say. If he is not mechadish, even those kanasa v'gesha, only the shibud is only on the ksuba on the bailarish. Ksir shem nuna arisa shem meisa in la ksuba. Arusa. What is he trying to say? The father does not get a ksuba. Interesting Allah. We would have thought that she deserves to get a ksuba. The father should get a ksuba. Rishoina emunachas ksubasa isla v'sev as a kalo in legash uchazav iskinu the ksubasa isla b'hailo. Apikenu is kalo b'ne legash uchazav iskinu she adam the kech so she koises the cars tamchian. So tenini emo the ksubasa nachsach shulchan. Chazav iskinu she adam es nes mitzvah ishte lechoy. No nesen im abdoi kasha v'en legasha. Isken she es mitzvah ishte she tegisach mecha seife. Tumul Kezichichas. Ich kann immer, sie ihre, wenn sehr schnell, jetzt bin ich ganz so als Amma kleid Schuches, jetzt Amma Tav, ich Amma wieder mit Tav, mich soll macht das Scham Gott Tav, sie da. Bin ich am Leben kann ich jetzt noch Schuch und der Schneim jetzt kann man das verstehen. Shimon Mashatach. So they were machaven Shimon Mashatach. That was goes already on Kalei Zechuches. Anders geloosje bij een lesson on afsham, so she must time. Neem das, masham is, is man monolith the reiki mekem. In reiki mekem, lomash anything again, but if you make Torah, then you're machaven to all the real stuff. So same thing, the later generations when you gay and Torah, they're machaven to the old Takana. At kan daf nun om het alf nomen base.